Let me ask you something honestly. If nothing changes in your career for next 5 years, would you be proud of that version of you? Pause. Most women don't lack talent. They lack clarity, direction and a clear roadmap system. And today I'm going to show you my step-by-step method how women between the age 23 to 50 can establish their career without burning everything down. Career move for women, it's not just for money, it's for identity. You're thinking, I have already invested so many years. What will other people say? It is too late. What if I fail? The real problem is most career advice in online is generic. It's either follow your passion or learn that one skill to get rich. Both are incomplete. Before we go deeper, let me introduce myself. I am Sophia with awesome 17 years of experience in IT industry and 3 years of entrepreneurship with my legacy brand Affluent Choices, where we sell pure cotton and pure silk sarees to preserve Indian heritage art while building a sustainable purpose-driven business. And everything I teach today comes from lived experience, not from theory. Here is the biggest mindset shift that you need. You don't need a career change. You need career alignment. You already have transferable skills, lived experience, emotional intelligence and problem-solving ability. You are not starting them with zero. You are starting from your experience. Ask people, what do people really come to me for? What feels effortless but valuable? What problem I can explain clearly? This is not passion, this is proof. Step number 2, choose one skill, not everything. Take one role, one direction, one problem. Most women fail because they try to do too many things. Understand, clarity beats confidence. Step number 3, position before you monetize. Don't ask, how can I earn money first? Instead ask, how do I want it to be known? When positioning is clear, income follows. Step number 4, you need simple visibility. You don't need to dance. You don't need perfection. All you need is consistency, value, clarity. Visibility builds belief, first in others, then in you. Why most women get stuck? Here is why most women never move forward. They seek for permission. They wait for confidence. Confidence comes after taking actions. They consume a lot but never implemented it. They try to do it alone. You don't need motivation. You need a clear structure and support. Here is why I created my silver membership course. It's for the women who are ambitious like you. It's for the women tired of feeling stuck, done with random courses and ready for purpose-driven career roadmap. Inside this course, you will be working on from feeling lost to feeling limitless. Do not waste life. How to find purpose in life. How to identify your true personal brand, your value, skills, and that one skill that you can monetize. Establish a clear career roadmap system and how to enable your presence online. This is not theory, it's a real guidance from me, from my experience. Imagine you're waking up every day happily content, knowing why you're building, why it matters, and where you're going. No guilt, no confusion, no comparison, just alignment. If you are a woman who are aged between 23 to 50 years old and ready to establish your career for yourself and to give that good lifestyle to your family, I invite you to join my silver membership course. Don't wait for confidence. Instead, borrow clarity first. Link in description. I see you inside my membership course.